Have you ever wondered what it would be like to swim in money? Not literally, of course, but I'm sure every one of us has dreamt of being a billionaire. Remember when Bruno Mars said, "I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad"? Well, I'm sure we can all relate to that. Traveling wherever you want would be such a swell experience, as well as being safe, knowing that you would be perfectly accommodated when you get there. I mean, billionaires have multiple mansions all over the world, right? So basically, the world is their home. Literally. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you one of the wealthiest men on earth, Jeff Bezos. If you aren't familiar with his legacy, then you're lucky to have stumbled upon this video because I am going to walk you through what makes this man so influential. In addition to that, we are going to take a look at some of Bezos' spectacular mansions. Are you ready? Well, let's get into it. Jeff Bezos was born on January 12, 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. He is an entrepreneur with a key role in e-commerce and its growth. As the founder and former CEO of Amazon, Bezos earned a lot from his career. In his early years, he developed the Dream Institute, a center promoting creative thinking in young students, and he did that when he was still in high school. He graduated as summa cum laude at Princeton University in 1986. He then took a series of jobs before joining the New York investment bank D.E. Shaw and Company in 1990. Soon after, he was branded the youngest senior vice president of the firm, where he was in charge of examining the investment possibilities of the internet. When Bezos finally uncovered more of his potential, he established Amazon, which quickly grew to become the leading brand in e-commerce. Aside from Amazon, he founded Blue Origin in 2000, a spaceflight company that held its launch site in Texas. The growing millionaire at that time also bought the Washington Post and affiliated publications for $250 million, which abruptly made him one of the richest people in the world. Now that we've covered who Jeff Bezos is, let's get into his luxurious homes. In 2004, Bezos purchased Corn Ranch, a property located just north of Van Horn, Texas. The cost of this 30,000-acre land is still unknown, but he reportedly bought it from attorney Stasny, who spent millions renovating the gray stucco one-story main house that was initially built in the 1920s. There is also a spa in the bathroom of this house, a remodeled kitchen, refinished porches, and updated tile floors. Today, this property is used as the base of operations for Blue Origin. Bezos also bought a Spanish-style mansion in 2017 from Beverly Hills, and it cost around $24.45 million. It is an 11,891 square foot property with 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a separate guest house, a greenhouse, a swimming pool, several magnificent fountains, a tennis court, and a 6-car garage. Just look at the size of this! Bezos still owns this luxurious property, but he has recently expanded and improved it. Next, we are going to feature his property in Washington, D.C., which he bought back in 2016. It is located in the Kalorama neighborhood where the Obamas, Jared Kushner, and Ivanka Trump also live. Originally, the property was divided into 2 mansions, but he managed to have them renovated into his personal style. One of these massive residences was made in 1914, which used to be the site of the Textile Museum, and was recorded as one of the largest houses in all of DC. The 2 mansions combined measured up to 27,000 square feet and were priced at about $23 million. Can you imagine that? According to Architectural Design, Bezos purchased the property with plans to convert them into one single family home, where he and his loved ones can stay whenever they visit the place. Now, that's convenient. Back in 2018, sources also claimed that Bezos was planning to renovate the place for $12 million. Now, I wonder what sort of new things he has added to this beautiful place. Next on the list is his $12.9 million home located in his Beverly Hills compound, which is positioned next to his Spanish-style mansion. Remember the one he purchased back in 2007? This residence is a 4,586 square foot property with 4 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. It also has a grand swimming pool and a gated semicircular drive. How amazing is that? We're not even finished yet. The founder of Amazon also owns an apartment in Manhattan that overlooks Madison Square Park, which he bought back in 2019 for about $80 million. According to Architectural Digest, his purchase was branded as one of the most expensive real estate transactions for that year. This 10,000 square foot penthouse has 3 floors, a majestic ballroom, 3 bedrooms, and adjoining 4 bedroom pads. Now, let's go to his 2020 purchases. Yes, plural. I swear, this man can go anywhere at this point. During the year of change, Bezos purchased another residence in Kalorama, Washington, D.C. for about $5 million. It is located across the street from his first residence, and rumor has it that he bought it to seal his privacy, given that this second area has a direct visual on his first house. In addition, he also bought David Geffen's Beverly Hills mansion in February of 2020. This is a 10-acre estate that contains a 13,600 square foot Georgian-style house, a nursery, 2 guest houses, 3 hot houses, a tennis court, elegant terraces, a swimming pool, and a 9-hole golf course. I could only dream. Bezos also bought a 4th unit in his penthouse building in New York, which he spent $16 million on. It doesn't stop there. Last on his 2020 home purchase is the property adjacent to Geffen's estate. He bought this 4,615 square foot, 2-story home for about $10 million, and it contains 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 6 brick fireplaces. Finally, the billionaire's latest bought property is a $78 million compound, which is located on La Perouse Bay. This property is branded as the most expensive one in Maui. It is a 14-acre land which contains a 4,500 square foot house, a 1,700 square foot guest house, an outdoor kitchen, and a 700 square foot swimming pool. What a life! And that's it for Jeff Bezos' homes. Which one of his astounding and exquisite properties did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and since you're already here, you might as well subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more. We will see you in the next one.